With the holidays coming up and a lot of people traveling, I thought it made sense to have some non-denominational responses to sneezing. You can't just go around saying God bless you to everyone. Number one is stop. This is particularly effective for those multiple sneeze guys. Me, I'm a 3 sneeze guy, but I've seen people sneeze 5 and 6 times. They're just like showing off. Number 2 is that was really annoying. Just tell people, hey, that really kind of grinds my gears. Number 3 is I hate when you do that. That way they'll know not to sneeze around you anymore. Lastly, wow. I know it doesn't seem like much, but you could really use this any way you want. You could really play up the disgust, like wow or wow. Feel free to make it your own. Just let people know that they shouldn't be sneezing around you. They should go into a closet or a bathroom and sneeze by themselves and cry.